first Eris launch. What went wrong? An ambitious space mission by an Australian company faced a dramatic setback when its rocket failed to achieve orbit just moments after takeoff on July 29th. This incident highlights the high stakes and unpredictable nature of the aerospace industry, where even the most meticulously planned launches can falter at the last second. The rocket, part of the company's Eris series, met its fate almost immediately after liftoff, crashing perilously close to its launch pad. This outcome has sent ripples through the space community, raising questions about the reliability of new rocket technologies and the challenges faced by startups in the aerospace sector. But here's where it gets controversial. Some experts argue that such failures are inevitable and even necessary for progress in the field. Others, however, see these incidents as a red flag, suggesting that more rigorous testing and safety protocols are needed before companies can confidently launch their rockets. For those interested in delving deeper into the world of space exploration and the latest developments, consider signing up for our weekly Space News This Week newsletter. Each Friday, we deliver the latest insights and updates directly to your inbox. Plus, you'll gain access to 3 free articles every month, allowing you to stay informed without committing to a full subscription. If you're already a fan of our content and want unlimited access to everything spacenews.com has to offer, why not sign into your existing account? Or for just $5 per week, you can enjoy unrestricted access to all our articles, analyses, and reports. Our flexible subscription plans allow you to cancel at any time with no long-term commitments. Please note that sales tax may apply, and refunds are not available. And this is the part most people miss. Behind every headline, there's a story of human ingenuity and perseverance. While the failure of the Eris launch is undoubtedly a setback, it also serves as a reminder of the incredible efforts and dedication required to push the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration. What do you think? Are such setbacks a necessary part of the process, or do they signal deeper issues within the industry? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Australia's first orbital rocket, Gilmour Space's Eris, fails on debut launch. In a groundbreaking moment for Australia, the nation has made its first attempt at launching a homegrown orbital rocket. Gilmour Space, a pioneering company in the aerospace sector, achieved this significant milestone on July 29th. When it launched. In a statement released in February, the company emphasized that regardless of whether they successfully lifted off, reached maximum aerodynamic pressure, max Q, or achieved orbit, the primary goal was to gather valuable data that would enhance the reliability and performance of their rockets for future missions. Following the launch, Gilmour Space maintained an optimistic outlook. They tweeted, "Today, Eris became the first Australian-made orbital rocket to launch from Australian soil. Approximately 14 seconds of flight, 23 seconds of engine burn. A significant step for our launch capabilities. The team is safe. We have data to analyze, and we are looking forward to test flight 2. Adam Gilmour, the CEO of Gilmour Space, echoed this sentiment in an email statement, highlighting that achieving liftoff is a monumental milestone for any new rocket program. He noted that this launch served as the first real test of their rocket systems, propulsion technology, and the spaceport itself, confirming that much of their infrastructure is operational. Importantly, there were no injuries or negative environmental impacts reported as a result of the launch anomaly, according to company representatives. The journey to this launch was not without its challenges. Gilmour Space, headquartered on the Gold Coast, initially aimed for a launch as early as March, but plans were delayed due to Tropical Cyclone Alfred. They then set their sights on mid-May, only to face another setback when the payload fairing, which protects satellites during launch, unexpectedly detached while the rocket was on the pad. This issue was attributed to a power surge caused by electrical backfeed from downstream devices. After resolving that problem, the company prepared for a late June launch attempt, which was thwarted by strong winds near the spaceport. The launch date continued to be pushed back due to unfavorable weather conditions until they finally succeeded in getting the Eris rocket off the ground today. The significance of this launch cannot be overstated. It marked the first orbital launch attempt from Australian soil in over 50 years, with the last successful flight occurring in October 1971, when a British Black Arrow rocket successfully deployed the United Kingdom's Prospero satellite from the Woomera rocket range in South Australia. Gilmour Space was founded in 2015 by Adam and his brother James, with the vision of positioning Australia as a key player in the space industry. The Eris rocket, standing at 82 feet, 25 meters tall, is designed to carry payloads of up to 474 pounds, 215 kilograms into sun-synchronous orbit. The company has also expanded its operations to include satellite manufacturing, with its Aerospace spacecraft bus having launched for the first time just last month on SpaceX's Transporter 14 rideshare mission. This mission included an instrument for CSIRO, Australia's national science agency, aimed at monitoring water quality. As we reflect on this historic launch, it raises questions about the future of space exploration in Australia. What do you think about the challenges faced by new space companies? Are the setbacks part of the learning process, or do they indicate deeper issues within the industry? Share your thoughts in the comments.